Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Echo Pop isn't responding properly, having connection issues, or you're planning to set it up again from scratch, performing a factory reset is often the best solution. Over time, smart devices can develop glitches due to network changes, software issues, or incorrect settings, and a reset clears everything back to its original state. This means all saved Wi-Fi details and preferences will be removed, allowing you to start fresh like it's a brand new device. Many users hesitate to reset because they think it's complicated, but the process is actually quick and straightforward when done correctly. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to factory reset your Echo Pop step by step. Try these. Step 1. Make sure the Echo Pop is plugged in and powered on. Step 2. Locate the action button on the device. Step 3. Press and hold the action button for several seconds. Step 4. Wait for the light ring to change and indicate reset mode. Step 5. Release the button once the reset process begins. Step 6. Set up the device again through the Alexa app.